I'm Dan Thorsteinson, riding Norman over here, Wilf Bishop. We're moving these cattle from the community pasture at the Insinger, and we have about a 40-mile trip in front of us. Trying to make 22 miles today to the night stop. We have a corral set up, and we're going to be moving the cattle in there this evening, and they'll stay overnight. We've been chasing cattle now for the last 4 years this way. We invite a lot of the public and enjoy the weather and the trip chasing the cows. I've had a terrific response from the people. They just really make themselves proud to come out here. We have people here from as far away as Prince Albert, Canada, and several of them have rode with us every year, and even Margot. Something that seems to work and something that people get a lot of pleasure out of doing. Today we're here at the depressed grain prices, the union strikes, but I think a lot of us here just appreciate the fresh, clean air that we have in Saskatchewan and that we have with all these people when they get together. On a Thanksgiving weekend, I truly think we're grateful for what we have here. Once they're moving 40 miles to their winter headquarters. As we progress down the road, we're going to have a dinner stop. Community Hall have a big supper there for us this evening. Breakfast in the morning, and then on in the afternoon before going to dinner, and then there's a dance on Saturday. Just a super weekend and a super good time. We hope a couple of fellas here I'd like to mention. Mr. George Festay, who's been with us for the last 40 years. George drives at what we call the ambulance truck. Sometimes we have horse problems or livestock get in a little trouble. We have to load them up, and George just following along and spends a couple of days with us and seems to do a heck of a good job. He gets well paid too. Right, George?
If you say so.
Besides George is Wilf Bishop. Wilf's our trail boss or our foreman. He's picked the route up and tries to keep everybody under control and the cattle moving along steadily. Again, he's done a heck of a job for us too. This fellow here, Matt Tobin from up by Margot, Invermay country. He's rode with us for 3 years, I believe. Led the first cattle drive out for us. Really appreciated that, Matt. A couple of fine young ladies over here. Lynn Thorsteinson and Leanne Bishop. Missed school, by the way, today to take this in. They said they may never be able to do it again. They want the experience and enjoy it. People over there, the white horse and the gray horses. From Windsor, over there from Leslie area, Albert people toward the back, Foam Lake way over there, Kandahar. So you can see it's a community here. It involves a lot of the community. Most of them will last out to 2 days.